Hi there, my name is Chris. I'm the video editor for the videos on YouTube for Digital Dreams. I follow Ben around and the other installers on their journeys around California when they install all the things that they do. I like this job a lot because I get to be creative in the type of work that I do. I get to choose the angles and I get to choose the editing style, and I get to, basically I get to make the videos how I want to make them. Ben has the final stamp of approval, but really it's really up to me how the videos look. And I think that's pretty cool. I don't have a lot of oversight. I just get to go in there and make the videos how I think they should look, and I'll show you the equipment I get to work with. But I'll go ahead and put together this little rig that we use for all the Steadicam shots. It's a DJI Pro Ronin. The camera never shakes, or you don't see that bouncing effect, like when you walk around and you walk around with your cell phone and it bounces up and down a little bit because of your walking. You don't have that happen with this, which is pretty cool. We also have a drone. I'll show you the drone. I've got some pretty cool shots on it. I'll show you right now what those shots look like. The guys are really okay with me putting the camera in their face for the most part, which was just nice, and they don't get mad at me when I get really up close when they're trying to just work and do their job and get home. In my free time, I like to be with my wife and son and my dogs and play video games and watch movies and typical millennial fun stuff. And that's pretty much it. I love the positive response that I've heard from all the viewers of these videos. The people that are watching out there, I really appreciate you guys' your feedback, because it makes my job a lot more fun when I know that people are watching and loving the videos. So, okay, well, thank you so much. Bye.